guys, it's time to kick off another episode. We're doing a bacon cooker because we can, because it's bacon. There's so many reasons to do bacon cooker reviews. We all love bacon and we all love easy cooking. You don't want to break out the skillet where you got grease splattering everywhere. Hopefully, I'm hoping this one, she loves to do that during my filming. All right. Okay. So I'm hoping this one will gather grease so that we could save the bacon fat in a container. We'll check it out. I have no idea. I just saw it at Walmart. I grabbed it so I could review it with you guys. I got my bacon at Walmart. I'm all good to go. So basically, we're going to be checking this out. Come on in close, and I'll show you what the brand looks like. It looks like the grease gets trapped in here. Now, the question is, my problem's always been, my bacon's been too long for this. So I wonder if I should probably cut this in half. A lot of people will cook their bacon cut in half. So we cut right down the middle and get twice as many pieces. So let me see if it's too long. I'll cut this in half and then we'll hang all our bacon. But this seems to be the model to go with, is hang your bacon, no matter whether it's making bacon or the last one. I can't even remember the name of the one I did before that. It was Wild Bacon Maker. This one's called Yummy Canned Bacon. So it's got little splash guard. I wonder what this thing is. I don't know what that is. Let me look it up. We're first going to take one piece, see if we can hang it. If not, we'll have to cut the whole batch. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's see if we can hang it just with one piece. If it'll hold, if it's too long. I don't think it's too long. Whoops. My bad. Let's just put it on one layer. Can it hold one layer? Yes, it can. Okay, I just want to turn this to you. Show you that it can. It's going to touch the grease, but you're probably going to throw this on a towel anyway, a paper towel, to drain any grease that's on it. It just barely touches the bottom. So I'm gonna load this sucker up. So give me a minute, and I will get this thing loaded with bacon. Then we'll put it in the microwave. This is good so far. All right, they're probably gonna stick together because I'm using thick cut bacon. Most people use regular thin bacon, but just even on thick cut bacon, it holds bacon on every single one. And it holds it nicely. They're all packed in there. They'll probably all stick together, so I'll need to break them apart to show you the final results. So we have 8 pieces on a 1,000-watt microwave. That is 9 minutes. All right. Well, you can kind of see it now, but there was grease that came out, bacon grease, so I couldn't grab it with one hand safely. I didn't want to spill any more grease, but you can see, for some reason, is it wet? Yeah, it's greasy on the sides here. So it feels like stuff came out the top, maybe. I don't know. Let's take a look. I haven't unlatched it yet, but there's a lot of play in there, which is probably to relieve any little pressure that builds up, which is probably a good thing. But I probably should not have packed this with thick cut bacon. But you know what? Let's try it hard. There we go. There we go. Okay, you can see everything's crispy. Oh my goodness, they didn't even stick together. This is really good. I'm gonna let this cool a little bit longer. It's a little warm. But you can see every piece is separate. Every piece looks beautiful. The grease kind of did top off and leak out. Once again, I don't blame the device. I didn't see it say don't load this with thick cut bacon, but I did. So a lot of grease came off this more than normal bacon. I am not in any way knocking them for not being able to handle the grease on the thick cut. Just warning you. There we go. It's all cooled off now. Well, the plate's already greasy, so I'm just going to leave this on the plate. I'm going to save that bacon grease. You can see there's a whole bunch of bacon grease. I'm going to save that. There's no little spout. I wish they had a little spout I could pour it out and into a container. But I'm saving that. I just want to show you how clean that looks. It came out, look how clear that is. I didn't get any crumbs in it or nothing. It just kind of poured off. It really did a nice job of collecting the grease for me too. Now I can cook with that on other dishes. But anyway, let's give the bacon a try now. This is exactly how I like my bacon. It could be folded in half. I don't care. It could be in a circle for all I care. If it tastes like bacon, that's all that matters. Smells good. The whole house is filled with bacon smell. I'm really liking the firmness of it. It's beautiful. So here we go. Ready? Listen. Completely perfect. The yummy can bacon cooker, delicious, complete success. Nailed it.